What my bad bitches
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be
High
down
volume,
bad, but
high
now
volume,
a bitch
high
okay.
volume.
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you don't know me, I go by K. If you're not, what's good, what's poppin'? So y'all, if y'all don't know, I'm in Puerto Rico. And if you haven't watched part 1 of this vlog, go watch part 1. But y'all, right now I'm taking a walk to the grocery store to see what I can get or whatever. I can't believe I'm walking the streets of Puerto Rico, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. Like, y'all. Look at the trees and stuff. Yo, this walk is a 7-minute walk, which I feel like is not far or a long walk, because when I'm back home I walk further. So, but yeah, y'all, I'll get back to y'all. Alright, so I did finish. I did go on a walk and I got some food. The place that I got the food from is called Coco Tacos. I think it's really popular because, like, it was people just coming, like, you know, they just was coming. So, I think I got I forgot. Let me see. I got an estimata and then estimata and a gratinado. Okay, gotcha. Y'all, this smells really good. I'm hoping it's still warm. Hoping it's still warm. They gave me 2 different sauces. So I'm gonna sit it somewhere. They came with nachos. She only gave me 1 thing of cheese. I think it's crazy, but it's okay. And I got just a water to go with it. Okay. And I got beef. This is the enchilada. Enchilada, whatever. And that. Oh well, I got another thing of cheese, I guess. I'm put my sauce. Oh wait. Put my sauces right there. Well, actually, I will try it so y'all can, so I can tell y'all. I'll try it with the camera on, so I can tell y'all what it's giving. I think this came with this, and this is just regular cheese. Something smells spicy. I don't think. Oh. Not a fan of that cheese. I'm gonna try this first though. I'm not a fan of that tortillas. Okay, that's the spicy sauce right there. They're both spicy. So far, that's it. Let's see what this talking about. I don't know, y'all. It's all giving me. It's like nothing is jumping out at me. They're saying this is so good. I don't know. I expected better. But I'm gonna eat this. Oh wait, hold on. Try this. Maybe I can save it. I don't even. Basically, it's the same thing. One red, one not. And this one comes with like tomato sauce. I don't like that beef. I should have probably got chicken or something. They didn't have, I think they did have steak. I think she gave me the option of steak, but they didn't have shrimp or nothing, so. And honestly, I don't think they had steak, or I think I would have got steak. Mid. Anyway, we just stuff and I'm really hungry. And then I'll get back to you guys. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I go by Cake and I was good, was popping.
Hey y'all, it's time to get crunk.
Can you back up? I ain't even do the intro. Can you move?
Alright, go.
I don't even need it. Alright, so it's day 2 of Puerto Rico, and we're about to head to the grocery store.
And I'm here today. I'm in the middle of doing my hair.
Why are you using that voice? Anyway, we're about to go to, hurry up because we're already running late. We're about to go to the grocery store, and then we're gonna come back.
Why you using that voice?
This is my regular voice. About to go to the grocery store, and then we're gonna come back and get ready, figure out what we finna do or whatever. So I'm just right doing something quick at the grocery store. And yeah, I'm cute off the wake up though. Period. But yeah, I'll get back to y'all later. Okay guys, so we're at the supermarket. And y'all, their streets, they got lights, but they don't use their lights. So it's just like a trust thing. Like the lights don't work. We need to figure out breakfast. Yeah, we can come down here. At the supermercado. Cereal options.
Empirical lo que tienen ahí.
Normal.
I don't like to like I guess we'll leave here. Hi vlog, so we're sitting here eating the stuff we all had yesterday. We just came back from the market. We just booked our first excursion to the natural waterfall. Rainforest. And I said waterfall, natural. We just booked our first water excursion to the natural water slide / rainfall. Forest. Keep fucking up. And it's at 2, so
The rainfall.
I'm about to get in the shower, I guess. Update my hair. Brielle was about to do what? What you about to do, Brielle?
Get ready.
Get ready, and we got 5 hours. Yes.
Give me that stuff.
What stuff? Okay, y'all. So I'm about to go to like a rainforest place, and I don't know what business suit I should wear. Oh, this is what I wore today. Hold on. is what I went to the market. Simple, cute bodies. But I had a jacket on over top of it, so couldn't really see nothing. But this, I feel like this would have been a cute little dinner thing, but I had to run to the store. But yeah, y'all. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna wear. I don't know if I want to wear this or if I want to wear this one. Cause this is like one of my favorite, like, a bathing suit outfits that I have for the trip. Why y'all so zoomed in? And this is what like that one's supposed to look like, and then my favorite one is right here. So I'm not sure which one I should wear today. I think I'm gonna egg show on Instagram. Yeah, I think I'm gonna egg show on Instagram which one I should wear. And see what y'all say. See what y'all say. So I guess I get back to y'all once y'all vote. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I did pick this outfit. It seemed like y'all mostly picked this one too. My Instagram. But I'm ready to leave. I'm ready to leave out. This is what the fit is giving.
Are you showing my fit?
Nobody cares. Okay, whatever. Anyway, so yeah, get into the face, real cute. Girl like makeup, so you know I'm giving it to you raw. Cause what? Girl like makeup, and I'm this fine. Cause you so fine. Yeah.
You see my first name?
But I'll get back to y'all later. This is like celery. I'm gonna take a picture. Never disliked that song. They're really cute.
Excuse me.
I need to wait for the camera off. Please don't let me fall and hurt myself. It's fine. You wanna do that first before we give up? Please.
Yep.
Damn, I wish I had mine. Look how good, man. I'll probably just record here and then wait till you go to the other side to take pictures. Like on the beach and stuff. Because I don't want to take them without my shorts. What is that? Is it a coyote? A dog?
Y'all listen, this one is not deep. Only that one down there is deep. So y'all can get in here and we're going to be doing the water slide. So if y'all doing the water slide, I'm going to put your stuff on this rock over here. And y'all can put your stuff on this rock over here. Make sure you have your socks on. Let's rock and roll.
You were doing the water slide or not? Probably not, just because of my drama. Alright, stay down here then. I'm recording coming down. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to leave her and go to the water slide, but she wanted to record for me.
I think it's better if you swim. It's safer if you swim. No, like just you put yourself in your pants. It's very shallow. Yeah, it's very in the
Okay guys, I don't know if I updated y'all, but we are at like the Rainforest water park and my face looks so crazy. I don't know if I started to break out. I did. And that was quick because I didn't have any pimples on my face. But we just took pictures and I did go down the water slide or whatever. Y'all gonna see the clip. But y'all, at this point I'm done because my feet hurt. Like I've been slipping in this water and stuff. It's just too much for me. It's too much for me. And I think I ended up hurting my feet or something. I don't know. Plus I'm trying not to get wet because we're supposed to go to other places too, and I don't want to stink. I don't want to stink. My hair's already wet, and I don't want to look ashy either. So is my face already wet, looking crazy, breaking out. I should have never even did that. I should have just sat pretty and looked cute. But it's okay. Then my lashes just coming off. I don't know. But yeah, I'll get back to y'all when we're doing something else.